How many times has something broke down, but the right size tool is nowhere to be found? Is it 5/16, standard, or metric? It's so confusing. What you need is Red Dog, the amazing universal socket tool that fits, grips, and tightens virtually any fastener, no matter what size or shape nut, bolt, eye hook, most anything. Red Dog grabs on tight and finishes every job fast. It replaces hundreds of different tools, yet it's smaller than a battery. Look closer. The hardened steel rods retract and form any shape. Then up to 150 pounds of torque break free rusted nuts. Attach the drill adapter and drive screws into concrete with ease, or tighten wing nuts without using your hands. Don't let a damaged faucet ruin your day. Red Dog grabs on tight. Plus, it removes stripped, recessed, even broken nuts and bolts. Go from large fasteners to small. It grips them all. No more heavy toolboxes or guessing which size to use. With Red Dog, you'll never search or guess which tool to use again. Look, you could use a ton of different tools for this project, but we did it fast and easy with just one Red Dog. Amazing!